So yesterday I decided to take my hubs apart to check the bearings. These screws right here are tighter than don't get out. They're a size 6. I tried to use the small impact, wouldn't get out. So I just put a nylon wrench and use a mallet and smack them. There's a snap ring right here that takes part of it off. This just slides out of here. Hard to do this with one hand. This comes apart by pushing these tabs out. Takes that out. I have to put the phone down for a second. That's what that looks like. Spring. All that. This one here, gotta take this snap ring out. I want to put the phone down again. Essentially, just pick it out of there. Just lifted it out a little bit. It comes out. You may have to tap. There's the bearing right there. I have to tap it out. Comes out. There's a bearing right here on that. This piece here. There's a spring inside here. Just got to pick it out of there. I'm going to put the phone down again. Can't do all this with one hand. So the spring comes out of there. It's kind of taper. It's bigger in this end than this end. The bigger end goes to the top, so that sits on top of that piece, and then there's a groove in here where the big end sits, and then there's this piece. This piece is a little bit taper here, and it has this retaining ring pretty flat on this side. So that's what that looks like. That's the groove the spring sits in. This goes to the top. Then the spring just pushes in there. Then this piece follows. Okay, I put the spring in. This piece goes in here. Just gotta carefully tap it back down. And put this retainer that holds it together. And then it's this side here. It's pretty much. You put this piece. Oh, it's a rubber washer that goes in here. There we go. This tab is bigger than these two tabs. Spring, and you have two smaller tabs, bigger tab. Just drop it in there. And that's in place. And then this will be able to freely spin to lock position and lock position. And then I'll drop this whole assembly back in. And that's how it goes apart, comes back together. Now, as I'm assembling these, this side is where it's the free arrows pointing to that. There's this dot and this dot right here. So that's the big tab and the two small tabs. This has a spring behind it, as I showed you before, that goes down